Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel where I talk about everything related to Heartland, the longest running family drama on Canadian television. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Today, I have some exciting news for you. Heartland Season 17 is in production and it's going to be amazing. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you— Before continue, I request you to subscribe our channel and press on the bell icon button for new videos notifications on time. You need to know before the premiere, including the release date, the cast, the plot, and some behind-the-scenes sneak peeks. So let's get started. First of all, when can we expect Heartland Season 17 to air? Well, according to a press release from CBC, filming for the new season started on May 8, 2023 in Alberta, Canada. Season 17 will have 10 episodes, which means that the first episode will be the 250th episode of the series. That's a huge milestone for any show, and I'm sure the creators and the actors are very proud of it. The press release also said that Season 17 will premiere exclusively in Canada on CBC and CBC Gem this fall. So if you live in Canada, you can watch it on TV or online. If you live outside of Canada, you might have to wait a bit longer until it becomes available on other platforms like Netflix or Amazon Prime. Now let's talk about the cast. Who's coming back for Season 17 and who's not? Well, we can expect to see all of our favorite characters return for another season of Heartland adventures. That means Amber Marshall as Amy Fleming, Michelle Morgan as Lou Fleming Morris, Sean Johnston as Jack Bartlett, Graham Wardle as Ty Borden, Alicia Newton as Georgie Fleming Morris, Chris Potter as Tim Fleming, Carrie James as Caleb Odell, and Jessica Steen as Lisa Stillman. We can also look forward to seeing some new faces join the cast or reprise their roles from previous seasons. For example, we might see more of Ruby Spencer as Lindy Borden, Amy and Tay's daughter, Madison Chieto as Jade Varani, Georgie's friend and rodeo rival, Gabriel Hogan as Peter Morris, Lou's ex-husband, and Megan Follows as Lily Borden, Ty's estranged mother. What about the plot? What can we expect from Heartland Season 17? Well, according to the official synopsis from CBC, Season 17 is all about embracing the unexpected. It says, Amy and the rest of the Heartland family know better than most that while dreams can sometimes come true, more often life takes us in unexpected directions. Season 17 of Heartland is all about embracing the unexpected. It's all about new experiences and taking the path less traveled. In Season 17, the Bartlett Fleming family will find themselves excited for the future and ready to embrace new adventures, challenges, and relationships. But no matter how things may change, Amy, Lou, Jack, and Tim will continue to fight for what they believe in while staying rooted in the land that has been in the Bartlett Fleming family for generations. That sounds very promising and intriguing. I wonder what kind of surprises and changes are in store for our beloved characters. Will Amy and Ty face new obstacles in their marriage? Will Lou find love again after her divorce from Peter? Will Jack and Lisa finally tie the knot? Will Georgie follow her dreams of becoming a professional writer? Will Tim reconcile with his daughters and his past? And what about the horses? Will we see more of Spartan, Theo, Harley, Blue, Buddy, Champ, Shadow, and all the other four-legged friends that make Heartland so special? To get some clues about what's coming up in Season 17, we can also take a look at some behind-the-scenes sneak peeks that have been shared by the cast and crew on social media. For example, Amber Marshall posted a photo of herself with Ruby Spencer on Instagram with the caption, "Back at it with this little cutie." #Heartland Hashtags Season 17 #Lindy. Michelle Morgan posted a video of herself directing an episode with Carrie James and Madison Chieto with the caption, "Having a blast directing these two." #Heartland Season 17 #Director. Sean Johnston posted a photo of himself with Jessica Steen on Twitter with the caption, "Just another day at Heartland with my lovely Lisa." #Heartland Season 17 #Jack and Lisa. And Graham Wardle posted a photo of himself with Megan Follows on Facebook with the caption, "So honored to work with this amazing actress. She plays my mom on Heartland and she is incredible." #Heartland Season 17 #Tandley. As you can see, there's a lot of excitement and anticipation for Heartland Season 17, and I can't wait to watch it. How about you? Are you looking forward to the new season? What are your hopes and predictions for the storylines and the characters? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and share it with your fellow Heartland fans. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.